What is MITRE's purpose? MITRE was created under sponsorship of the U.S. Air Force to address a critical national problem, to apply newly emerging technologies to protect the nation from long-range bombers and other weapons. Developing a system of this magnitude required a novel organization that could examine all facets of the problem without regard to the traditional boundaries between the military, industry, and academia. In response to this need, MITRE was formed with the role of integrating many elements of this complex system. This experience established MITRE as a leader in the new discipline of systems engineering. As the nation's challenges evolved, our FFRDC work program adapted, but MITRE's purpose was reinforced. We exist to change the game for the government, the public, and the world. And to do that, we focus on what is most meaningful, the outcome. Because ultimately, that's what matters. So the future we seek is one where the government and the public say, when MITRE gets involved, we do things differently. MITRE has changed the game for us. That's our aspiration. Good work is important, but we expect something more from ourselves. The Center for Connected Government's 3 goals supports our aspirations with specific measures and plans. Let's start with Goal 1. Today's government faces complex challenges, and the future cannot be solved by working alone. Problems today touch other organizations and are as much horizontal as they are vertical. Customers benefit from our outreach to industry, stakeholders and other government organizations, and from reach back to MITRE. Our work is more impactful when it includes different perspectives, experiences, and insights. Also, our outputs must contribute to our customers' strategic outcomes and be actionable. Great, high-quality technical work is critical, but if it's not relevant to the customer situation, or if they don't know how to apply it, they won't find it very valuable. Applying rigor is about how CCG works through an analytic foundation, delivering significant products that are evidence-based in design, content, and execution. The rigor of our analysis is the basis for MITRE objectivity. Together, reach back and outreach, along with outputs contributing to customer strategic outcomes and products rooted in evidence-based findings, help us achieve Goal 1. Goal 2 is about our people. The challenges and opportunities of the future require different perspectives, backgrounds, and thinking styles. Human nature often leads us to try to solve a problem with a group of like-minded people. However, scientific evidence shows that a diverse group with diverse thinking brings new ideas and gets better results. We know that a broad perspective is important, and creativity is important. And so we aspire to build a learning organization, encouraged through our professional development plans. We want a culture where people are curious about what they don't know and how to learn more, and where we can recognize and encourage this mindset. These ideas and aspirations are embodied in the Goal 2 work streams: diversity and professional development. Goal 3 is about how we manage our FFRDCs in the public's interests. Operating an FFRDC is a high honor with which we are entrusted, and operating efficiently and effectively is our responsibility. This last point speaks to managing our cost and being good stewards of public funds. And as stewards of the government's FFRDCs, we also want to identify the right people for a project quickly and get them equipped to be productive when the project begins. So Goal 3 enables us to operate with agility, engaging the right person with the right tools at the right time. Together, these 3 goals work together to realize CCG's mission and purpose. So, let's ask ourselves, what steps can I take to move toward this vision? How can I think differently about what I do and what my team can do to contribute to these goals? We can. We are making a difference. And we can and we will do even more. But it begins with each of us. So let's get started.